Some furs tend to have horns that kind of hurt.
Meow. 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 Yeah. Meow. 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 Meow.
You know you want some Skittles.
Skittles?
I think there's just Skittles. I think that, yeah, they're too big to be M&Ms.
No animals on the table. Someone get me a water bottle.
Well, why if the
M&Ms.
no animals are allowed on the table, then why are the Skittles in a dog or a doggy dish? Pixie, uh-oh, Kittycat with Sugar Rush. Everybody get away. You're supposed to eat that, not hit people with it. No, I'm being assaulted.
I'm a bad boy. Okay, that's somebody wrong places. I can't say because of the kid.
Like that's ever seen.
You
can always say.
Aw, it's adorable. Let's all sing the Meow Mix song.
Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Only here would a group of grown men be singing that song.
Grown men? What is that?
Actually, don't hang out with the right people. No, I don't. The furries where I come from are a bunch of whiny, bitchy drama queens. It's annoying.
Stay here then.
I'd love to, but I have to take people home.
Sounds like a bus.
You be under.
Well, the whole reason they rode with me is so they didn't have to take a bus.
You are charging them for the ride, right? Oh, okay. That's
Free ride home then. Take a bus.
I think it says no.
Aww.
Did you say you wanted a water bottle?
A spray bottle.
Aww.